Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress Localhost. First, you'll need to set up a local server environment. Popular choices include XAMPP or WAMP, which provide Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Once installed, download the latest WordPress package from WordPress.org. Then, create a new, empty database for your WordPress site using phpMyAdmin, which is usually included with your local server software. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth installation. Next, extract the downloaded WordPress files into your local server's web directory, typically named htdocs for XAMPP or www for WAMP. Open your web browser and navigate to the local WordPress installation URL, usually localhost/your WordPress folder. The famous 5-minute installation will begin. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect to the database you just created and set up your administrator username and password. This completes the core setup. After successful installation, log in to your new WordPress site using the credentials you established. You'll be greeted by the WordPress dashboard, your central hub for managing everything. Take some time to explore the various sections: posts for your blog content, pages for static information, media for images and videos, appearance for themes, and plugins for added functionality. Understanding this interface is key to effective site management. Developing on Localhost offers immense flexibility. You can install and experiment with countless themes and plugins, customizing your site's look and feel without any live site risks. Create and edit posts and pages, upload media, and fine-tune settings in a completely isolated environment. This allows you to test new features, designs, and content thoroughly before ever considering a live deployment, saving you time and potential headaches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.